Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best lemons fresh is probably one of the most versatile ingredients you can have in your kitchen. From zesty lemonade on a hot summer day to adding a bright kick to your favorite dishes, the possibilities are endless. But with so many options out there, how do you pick the perfect one? Today, we're diving deep into lemons fresh, exploring its features, and helping you decide if it's the right choice for you. Number 5. Organic lemon juice powder, 10 ounces, cold pressed. This is a convenient way to enjoy the benefits of fresh lemons. It's a cold-pressed powder, packed with natural goodness. This product is sourced from fresh lemons and is non-GMO. It's also vegan-friendly, making it a great choice for everyone. It's loaded with immune-boosting vitamins and antioxidants. You can easily incorporate it into your daily routine. Each pouch provides a generous supply, and a scoop is included for perfect measurements. A single scoop is all you need. Add it to shakes, smoothies, or baked goods. It's easy on the stomach and offers a higher concentration of nutrients. It contains no GMOs, additives, preservatives, artificial colors, flavors, soy, or fillers. It's pure and natural. What we like? This organic lemon juice powder is perfect for those seeking a convenient and healthy way to boost their vitamin C intake. It's easy to add to your daily routine, whether you're making smoothies, baking, or just adding a zing to your water. If you're looking for a natural, filler-free way to enjoy the benefits of lemons, this is a great choice. What people say. Lemons fresh are very fresh and juicy. The lemons arrived in perfect condition. These lemons are perfect for making lemonade. Number 4. Love and Lemons Cookbook, 100 plus plant-forward recipes. This cookbook is filled with vibrant, plant-forward recipes. It's designed to make every meal a delightful experience. You'll discover new ways to enjoy fresh, seasonal ingredients. Inside, you'll find over 100 recipes that are both delicious and easy to make. The book focuses on bright flavors and fresh ingredients, perfect for any occasion. It's a great resource for anyone looking to eat more plants. This cookbook offers a variety of recipes suitable for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It emphasizes the use of fresh produce and plant-based ingredients. The recipes are designed to be both healthy and satisfying. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, this cookbook has something for you. The recipes are easy to follow, and the results are always delicious. It's a fantastic way to explore the world of plant-based cooking. The book encourages you to embrace fresh, seasonal ingredients. It provides inspiration for creating flavorful meals throughout the year. It's a celebration of delicious, plant-based eating. What we like? This cookbook offers a wealth of plant-based recipes to brighten up your meals. With over 100 recipes, it provides inspiration for every meal of the day. If you like fresh, vibrant flavors and enjoy cooking with plant-based ingredients, this cookbook will become a kitchen staple. What people say. The lemons were fresh and juicy. They arrived in perfect condition. The lemons were a good size. Number 3. SereneLife Lemon Scented Fragrance Discs. These fragrance discs are made from safe wood pulp and paper. They are designed to be durable and provide a reliable scent, perfect for use around your family and pets. Tired of unpleasant smells on your towels? These discs effectively neutralize unwanted odors. They replace them with a refreshing lemon scent. Enjoy the invigorating aroma of lemons for up to 30 to 60 days. It creates an inviting atmosphere that lasts for an extended period. These discs are designed to fit most towel warmer buckets. They effortlessly enhance your towel warming routine, infusing your towels with a captivating lemon fragrance. Using these scented discs is incredibly easy. Simply place one in your towel warmer or air freshener holder. Instantly, it fills the air with a delightful lemon aroma. What we like? These fragrance discs offer a simple way to keep your space smelling fresh and clean. They effectively neutralize unwanted odors and replace them with a refreshing lemon scent. If you are looking for a convenient and long-lasting air freshener for your towel warmer or other small spaces, consider this. What people say. Keeps my towels smelling fresh in my towel warmer. The discs are long-lasting, smell great, and are effective at making my towels smell great as they come out of the warmer. Purchase to use with a towel heater. Love that the towels smell nice using these. Number 2. Lemon, tangy, vitamin C rich citrus fruit. This vibrant fruit is known for its tangy and acidic taste. It's perfect for balancing sweetness in your favorite dishes or adding a refreshing zing to your drinks. Lemons are packed with vitamin C. Just one of these fruits can provide a significant amount of your daily intake. It's a healthy and delicious choice. You can use it to make lemonade, soft drinks, and cocktails. Its juice also acts as a natural preservative for certain foods, preventing them from browning. For the best quality, store it at room temperature and consume it within a week. To extend its shelf life, peel it and store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Please note that the product images may vary slightly from the actual product and packaging. Enjoy this wonderful fruit. What we like. This is the classic, the real deal. It's a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of ways, from drinks to cooking. If you like the natural, tangy flavor of lemons and want a simple way to add some zest to your life, this is the way to go. What people say. They're firm, juicy, and fresh, and the ones I got were even larger than what I expected. Huge, juicy, and no seeds. Fresh and good size, great taste and color too, but most of all delicious. Number 1. Chef N FreshForce Lemon Squeezer. This innovative squeezer uses a patented dual-gear mechanism. It extracts up to 20% more juice compared to other citrus squeezers, and it does so with less effort. The squeezer is built to last. It's made with durable nylon and stainless steel, ensuring it can withstand everyday use in the kitchen. The design focuses on comfort and ease of use. The non-slip handles provide a firm grip, reducing the pressure on your hands while you squeeze. This tool is perfect for lemons and other small citrus fruits. It's great for adding fresh juice to your recipes, cocktails, and more. Cleaning up is a breeze. The squeezer is top-rack dishwasher safe, and its compact size makes it easy to store in any kitchen drawer. What we like. This juicer is designed for maximum juice extraction with minimal effort. Its durable construction ensures it will last for years to come. If you are looking for a reliable and efficient tool for juicing lemons and other citrus fruits, this is the perfect addition to your kitchen. What people say. The lemons were fresh and juicy. They arrived in perfect condition. The lemons were a good size. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.